So good that it had to be done twice. Pino, what a coin. Unbelievable. Verge. It's like 2017 vibes all over again. Now we're doing a Black Friday discount. A lot of people are asking me about the website. What exactly are we doing here? So the Financial Freedom Masterclass, that is on a discount currently for the next couple of weeks. The discount code is exactly as you would expect it to be, Black Friday. The group access is already discounted and it's cheaper to get it over 3 months. And if you pay via crypto, just message me through the Facebook page. Then we have a mini version of the full masterclass, but with the mini you don't get access to the options and the futures, which are for some people anyway, the way to express their opinion on the stock market. So to me, these are all very, very relevant, especially due to the fact if you want to do hedging strategies, option strategies around common positions, i.e. common stock positions, it would be useful. But for those who are potentially already experienced at futures and options, which I find hard to believe because there's information within these 11 modules here which I've never explained before. These are extremely important, which also help you a lot, by the way, when it comes to cryptos, be it a futures ES contract or a futures Bitcoin contract or a mini Bitcoin contract. It doesn't matter. Very, very important. But that is what the mini masterclass is. And then here we have the mortgage amortization course, which is basically just to explain the workings of a mortgage, which is potentially the biggest debt that most people will have. We are going to get a part 2 to this. It was supposed to be out before the end of the year. But it's been delayed now 2.5 years because there's just so many moves and we've taken part in every single move the last 3 years. So the market is just offering superb opportunity but incredible volatility. You look at some of these stocks, they're up 20% one day, down 20% the other day. So we're waiting for the part 2. Hopefully that gets released before the end of Q1 25. So watch out for that part 2. That's very, very detailed and we're pushing it to the next level where we not only discuss mortgages, we discuss everything else, every other type of financial credit facility that is available, and then we have to differentiate into good debt and bad debt. You need to know the differences, okay? A mortgage is unlike a line of credit, and that is very much unlike a loan, and that is very much unlike a credit card. They all have their negatives and they have their positives too, if you know how to use them. Extremely important, but those are the courses, as it were, that we offer, and that is the discount 15% on the masterclass. Now, Pino Army, where are you at? I mean, I've done a target today on the group, which is $10. So this is still going to go to $1, let's be honest. But, we're looking at this. This is what you're trying to find. If you have a look at Photon, these random ICOs, they'll go up 10x and then 0 when all the devs sell. Or you'll get charts which kind of hang around and they pump first, then they just do this. Then you get the worst pattern that I've seen where they pump up, then they do some corrective BS, then they have a bit of a short squeeze. These, that's just like an ABC. This has got the proper setup, which is like a 1-2-1-2 ascending wedge channel setup, which is what it's done here. So all of these are series of smaller and smaller 1-2s within the larger 1-3. So that's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 1 of that 3 also splits up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 1 of the larger 3 also splits up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's what we mean by 1, 2, 1, 2 stack. Because it can only end in a 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, larger 3, 4, then the parabolic 5. And the way Bitcoin is moving, Solana is moving especially, obviously I'm not going to call a top just yet. If you want to know how high Bitcoin's going to go, Solana, everything's on the group. You're going to have to come and join because, we can't do YouTube videos every day. And frankly, it's unfair on paying group members. So everything is there. If you want to pay via Solana or Bitcoin, frankly, whichever, off the major cryptos we will accept. But there's other coins which are now waking up from 2017 as well. So it's amazing how we're getting some very similar moves to what we did 7 years ago during the good times there. So that is the move on Pino. We're expecting it to go much higher. So if you want to join the group, everything is there, and the shakeout is complete. Weak hands out of the way, and now we're going to go higher again.